Coolie. I'm about to fuck up the plans. I'm about to run up some bands, need an advance. I'm about to stack up the stash, flip it like I'm acrobats, stand it and stand. I got the mind that they can't understand. I do what they want and they do what they can. I'm in my mode and I'm about to go in, about to explode like volcano again. They don't want me to erupt, I'm heating it up and I'm running it up. Speak from in front of them, I'm turning it up. Don't get me hot cause I burn up the spot. Pull out the heat, it go pop, 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 pop. The seats every beat when I spit from the mouth. Wipe on your feet before you come in my house. I'm a beast off the leash and you about to find out. My house. I'm the big dog in my house. I'm chasing them out like the cat in the mouse. I'm the big dog if you doubt. Be facing my teeth when I'm about to bite down. Ain't gonna be making it out. If I'm giving you grace, better take it and bounce. All of my patience ran out. Don't make me regret, better take what you got.